Hello, my name is Clara Calderon. Today I go to talk about the dialects in Colombia. Um, okay, we were talking about dialects in Colombian Spanish, understanding the dialect as a variant of a language, delimited in space, time, and social structure. Okay, equal to a grouping of historical ways of speaking. Our dialects reflect where we came from, what our community is, and many other aspects of our identity. Okay? Each person has a reason to learn a particular dialect. For example, the place where you study, what they speak the most at work, or the dialect or of your favorite tourist destination. The linguistic varieties in Colombia are more than 60 between indigenous and Creole language spoken in local and regional spheres. Okay, thank you very much.